Hello friend, welcome back. In a recent meetup of SelectorsHub, one of our attendee has asked the questions like where he can practice this some of the really good and you can say corner use cases like shadow DOM, iframe, inside shadow DOM, SVG element, disable element, and a lot more types of like nested iframe, nested shadow DOM. So where he can practice. Sometimes we used to talk cross origin iframe, same source origin iframe. So where we can practice all these kind of scenarios, is there something kind of like practice page or any website where we can find all these scenarios? So yes, you can learn all these scenarios, practice all of these kind of scenarios here on practice page of SelectorsHub website. If you go here, long time ago we have created all these scenarios for practicing, for practice purpose for all our community members. Like here at the bottom of this page you will find which all scenarios are available on this page. So you can see that shadow DOM, SVG element, inside shadow DOM, nested shadow DOM, close shadow DOM, close shadow DOM, inside open shadow DOM, iframe, inside shadow DOM, inside iframe, close shadow DOM, and all these scenarios are available on this page like single iframe, nested iframe, cross origin iframe, spin loader, email field, and a lot more things available on this page. So let me just show you guys one by one. Here you can see that these are some really good scenarios here. Here you have this element. Like if you open SelectorsHub and try to inspect this particular element, it will show you that this element inside shadow DOM. This is SVG. If you inspect, this element is SVG element and it is also inside shadow DOM. If you keep inspecting these elements, you will find these all scenarios like this is inside closed shadow DOM. And similarly, like here, if you open this, like this is broken link, click to practice iframe and nested iframe scenarios. If you click on this, it will open a web page where you can find the iframe, nested iframe. Now if you inspect element, so you see that this is inside iframe, single iframe. Then if you inspect this is inside two nested iframe. If you inspect this one, this element here, this is inside three nested iframes. So you have this page where you can find the nested iframes. These all are the same source origin iframe. Then this is here you have the cross origin iframe. So if you inspect this particular element, you will find the iframe and the elements. Here you have the payment page. Also, like if you want to practice iframe inside shadow DOM scenario, so you see that it says that click here, and here you have this particular practice, this page where you can find the iframe inside shadow DOM. How you will get to know, you just have to inspect the element, and here you will see that this is inside single shadow DOM, and a lot more things you will find. Like if you open here the DOM, and let me just close this, inspect this particular element here, open SelectorsHub, this element is inside shadow DOM. So you can see that this is inside shadow DOM and this is shadow host. And if you inspect this shadow host, so you will find all the details here. And if you keep inspecting the elements, like this is iframe here, if we inspect this element is inside iframe, this one is inside iframe. If you scroll up here, and this iframe here, this iframe is inside shadow DOM. So basically this particular element is inside iframe and that iframe is inside shadow DOM. So all these things you will learn from here. If you go back again on the practice page, so you will basically find all like small things here. Click to practice shadow DOM inside iframe scenario. So if you go here, this is here shadow DOM inside iframe scenario. Okay, so if you click and open here shadow DOM inside iframe, and now if you open this page here and try to inspect this, so you will see that this is inside iframe and this iframe is here. Do you love tea? So you, if you open this and try to see what SelectorsHub tells you, this element is inside shadow DOM, This is shadow DOM here, so this is shadow DOM, and this particular shadow DOM is inside iframe. So here basically you can practice all such kind of scenarios. So this will help you to learn all kinds of scenarios here, SelectorsHub page, this practice page here, and you will learn basically all such kind of complex scenarios, like element like these which are disabled element. If you inspect them and try to inspect, you see that SelectorsHub tells you that this inbox is disabled, enable to enter value. So you will learn such kind of concept. If you click on this edit button here, this becomes enabled and now you can enter the value. Now if you inspect, try to inspect this particular element, this will be enabled and it will not throw any error. It will not show any alert. Here you have this kind of drop downs, you have the calendar thing, you have this map thing which is basically canvas element. Here you have the pop-ups like window alert, click to window open, prompt open model kind of thing. So all such kind of pop-ups are also available. Here you have the table, then this is cross origin iframe. You have the credit card page as well, so you can test and learn the scenarios like payment page. So all such kind of complex scenarios available on this page, which will help you to learn about these kind of concepts. Calendar here, and these are all these input boxes are quite complex ones. So if you try to like inspect and try to learn about them, you will learn like a lot more scenarios here. So every link, everything here on this page is a kind of scenarios which we have mentioned so that you guys can practice and learn about them. I hope you will enjoy this particular page, practicing and learning on this page. If you are taking interview, if you are preparing for interview, in all cases this page will help you guys. Many people are already using this particular page. It's been almost close to 4 years for this particular page, and people have been practicing. If you are not aware, if you haven't, check out this page, practice page on SelectorsHub website. Do check out, this will really help you guys a lot. And do let us know in the comment section which scenarios you have practicing right now on this page, and which is the first scenario which you first time came to know on from this particular page. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.